Hey, welcome back to this moving to Argentina saga thing. House is finished in the construction part, but I'll give you a little tour. It's about to rain here. It's a front entrance. We don't use it yet. I'm mainly in this side. I have my temporary shop set up. Got all this wood to do stuff, old wood and some new one. My shop, let's switch to white here. My shop is now set up, so my tools are everywhere. So whenever I'm looking for something, I can never find it. So it slows down things a lot. I have a coffee going on here. So let me put my coffee down. Good old Tim Hortons cup. This is my shop bathroom. It's quite echoey here. There's no ceiling yet that I have to do myself. Everything that needs to be done from now on is up to me. This is the despensa area where we're gonna keep food in the freezer and all finished and painted. I'm working on the kitchen counter. It's gonna be all wood and 4x4s. I put a little bit of detail to this. I'm gonna do a shelf here that slides right out, so does the bottom piece. I don't know what I'm gonna do in that corner yet. I do have a lazy Susan, but I think we'll lose more space than you gain. Stove is gonna be here. We don't have gas yet. We'll get, I think Friday or early next week. And I still have to put the cover on the campana, they call it. And that has a motor up on the roof. And here's our ceiling. There's a front door. Here's gonna be an entry, like a bench type of deal. Living room. Kim is doing some, I'm not sure what she's doing. This is gonna be that.
Washing machine, honey.
Learning about her new washing machine.
Translating stuff I don't understand.
All right. This table here is not gonna be there. It's gonna be a bigger one. That table will become an island here in the kitchen. And check out these floors, how they worked out. So it's getting there slowly. Bathroom is almost put together because I'm yet to build, I bought a thing that sits on top, so I have to build a piece of furniture for it. But and I have to install a vent over there. This will have it has two lights there, the other two, and it's gonna have a hanging chandelier that Kim bought. Toilet and bidet. This corner here is gonna be a towel type of, another thing I have to make. Same thing with the bedroom, so we have no furniture because I'm gonna make everything. I bought chairs, I bought like 8 or 10 of them, I'm not sure. But same thing throughout the house. This is gonna be a closet. The bedrooms are the same. This is actually gonna be our bedroom. They had a friend over and we set up this mattress for him to sleep here. And it's quite echoey here. The ceilings are high. So here I'm gonna do like a buffet. I might do opposite ones. And here I'm gonna do a fireplace, one of those electric ones with the flame like we had in Canada. and have a piece of live edge that may go right from the corner across, with the fireplace off center and the TV above it. And yeah, I have a pile of work, like a pile of work. So I am gonna make videos of making everything. So if you wanna take a peek at that, it's a galleria. The parrilla is all set to go. They still has to be cured to make eggs or vegetables, or it has to, they're removable. You can swap them. And it has a system that you can raise and lower the parrilla. It's Kim's laundry room, which she's reading about. She just this got set up yesterday, so she's gonna do laundry, and we need to connect the gas here. That happens tomorrow. Well, the connection, they still have to come and inspect either Friday or Monday. I mean, they've been here before, so we should have no trouble passing the inspections. So that's it so far. I thank you for your patience. It's been a stressful 8 months for me. Coming to a place, I am from this country, I recognize that. But after 35 years, I didn't know anybody. You come from North America, and everybody thinks that you brought a container full of dollars. So if something costs 10, they try to charge you 50. So I had to deal with that, but I got it done. They told me the house over there is not finished. And apparently they've been working on it. It's coming up to 2 years. So I had this built in 4 months. And here I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do with this. I think this is gonna be the piece for the bathroom. But I don't know, because I have this old 100-year-old wood here with a screen. It was a base for the helipad for some famous dude here where we are in Bragado, and that wood is over 100 years old. Sort of this train things, and this guy's with the holes here. Or the top of the old post that had the cruiser thing with the white ceramic things, or porcelain, I don't know what they were. Those are over 100 years old. And yeah, my neighbor cleaned up and gave me, I need to fill up here. So my neighbor was kind enough to have his guy drop off all this dirt here, but now I can't even bring the truck up here. So it is the middle of the winter, believe it or not, and it's like, I don't know, 18 degrees or something like that. So anyways, I thank you for hanging out with me all this time with no videos, and soon, in hopefully a week or two, I have my lathe here, and I don't know what to get. I bought a little Bosch table saw, and I was gonna buy an industrial one, but I'm not sure. This thing actually works pretty good, and I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do for a living, but after my furniture is done, when I had the other shop, I was always on the lathe, and I stopped using everything else. So I don't think it's wise at this point to invest in that type of machinery. I'm still trying to figure out where to put this bench, whether to leave it in the middle. This thing came from Canada. If you've seen my videos, you've seen it in my shop. Well, all of my tools, that was a life-saving, bringing all that stuff, I have to tell you. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will reply to you. Other than that, I'll be here working if you need me. So anyways, love you all. I'll catch up with you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.